Hello everyone, this video series I'm going to show you the Firestore, how you can do the Firestore inside the Android Studio. So Firestore basically is a non-SQL database that you can store your data inside the Firebase, and you can display back the data inside the Android application. So the outcome of this video tutorial is an application that you can see a list of the restaurant, okay, and they have the information like the name, rating, the type of the food, and the location. You can also filter the list, okay, based on the option you have, like the food type, the location, the pricing, and also the rating. Not just that, you also can give the review to the restaurant. So let's say good food. Okay. So all this information will be stored inside the Firestore. Alright, that's all for the introduction. In the next video, we are going to do this project.